Today's August 8th of 24. We got Tropical Storm Debby giving us a little bit of a break at the moment. It dumped last night. Dumped a bunch of rain. Woke up this morning, the air conditioner was not working. There was standing water under the house, all around the foundation of the backside of the house. And it flooded the part of the AC unit under the house. So I dug this little trench to get the water away from the backside of the foundation. It's just barely trickling now. It was really rolling through here earlier. But I tried to use that hose to siphon the water out from under the house. Of course, that's way too small to do much of anything. So I hope my AC is okay once it dries out. But this is my Mississippi, Mule Palms of Mississippi mule, Mississippi Queen, as you might call it. It is over 7 feet tall. It's pretty happy. My Insete got blown over. It's a sad looking needle. This is a happy Trachycarpus. I had 4 of these field dug Trachycarpus. This is a new frond. 2 of them are happy and 2 of them are dying, or maybe dead already. This Alocasia is finally getting big. Everything's kind of beat up from the wind right now. Debby was supposed to hit us harder than it did. Its trajectory kind of changed from what they were anticipating. That I think is an Orinoco. That's an ice cream. I'm not sure what that banana is. Show you my Jubea. It has put out 2 fronds since I put it in the ground this spring. This was just a spear and now it's opening up pretty nice. It's got hooks on the end there. And then this is frond number 2 down here. Some kind of damage there. I've got a Yucca aloefolia that's flowering and it's way behind schedule. All the other Yucca aloefolias flowered a couple months ago probably. I built a little swale, not really a swale, I built a berm there to retain some water on my property, but it's even flooding over on my neighbor's property. The Cycas revoluta has finally put out some new fronds. I defoliated it. Daisylirion is growing. All the desert plants are pretty happy, despite all the rain. This thing has grown a ton. This was a singular stalk when I planted this. I think it's a Christmas calla, if I remember right. That Butia is very happy. All the Yucca are doing well. Opuntia, these Opuntia pads have grown like crazy. I'll show you the big Ricinus too. Variegated Miscanthus. I really like Miscanthus grass. This thing is just huge. It's so big. It gets lots of water since it's down here, and that seems to be pretty beneficial for it. I've got this little, I think this was a, oh, what was this? I don't remember what banana that is. I thought it would do well down here in this little ditch area, but it's just barely tinkering along. So, oh yeah, and then I got my Summer Sunset Jasmine has finally started putting out new foliage, and it's nicely colored. I still say that's a close second to Croton, if you can't grow Croton, as far as the color of it. That's sprinkling rain again. More Opuntia. yuccas. This Butia, when I got back from vacation, the center spear looks like it's dead. Well, it's dead up here. Some of the bottom fresh growth down there has a little bit of yellow in it, so it may still be alive. Don't know. I'm not sure what caused that. Oh goodness. Forget what banana that is. That's my second biggest banana. Everything up here has been growing slowly. June was really dry. July rained almost every day. This area stays really dry, so everything up here grows real slow. This cycas is flushing. That's cool. Cycas revoluta. These ricinus barely have done anything up here. I got standing water everywhere. This is my biggest Sable Riverside. It gets a lot of water because I water the peppers up here a lot and all the little seedlings. There's my other Mississippi Mule. And my biggest banana. It's probably 7 feet tall, over 6 feet. I'm not sure what those are. I've got Carolina Reapers and what else? What other hot peppers? Ghost peppers, Trinidad Scorpions, some Thai peppers. This queen is pretty happy. It seems like it's growing slower than it was, but I think I'm just being impatient. The new fronds look really nice. Nice lush green. This trachea is also happy. Oh yeah, I didn't show you the unhappy trachea over there. But here's an unhappy trachycarpus. You can see the frond there. The lower fronds just started dying. The second newest spear pulled, but the newest spear actually is still green. If you can see that there. I hit it with some copper fungicide. And then this is my little bog garden. It's just a Rubbermaid container. So I could grow this Caltandra virginica, which is in flower at the moment. And I had hundreds of mosquito larvae, so I put in some mosquito fish and they ate all the larvae. Now they're all hiding, but I'm pretty sure they're still alive. I've got a bunch of tadpoles in there from a southern toad. Caryotomitis is growing more slowly than I expected. Liticarium honii has a really nice new frond. Arenga ingleri took some pretty bad sunburn, but we've got a new frond pushing and opening. They look really nice. I cramscaped this area way worse than I thought I did, but it looks pretty jungly. Here's my eucomis. The sun really bleaches the old leaves out, but the new leaves look really nice. I thought this was all partridge pea, but it is chamber bitter. They're kind of hard to tell the difference until you look at the bottom and you can see the little inflorescences in between the leaves along the stem. That's how you know it's chamber bitter, which is an invasive plant, unlike partridge pea. Colocasias are big. Look at this colocasia. Look at the base of this colocasia. It's great big. Serranoas are just tinkering along. They don't grow very quick. And then last I'll show you my potted Robelinii up here. I've had it for 4 years. It's doing pretty good. Philodendron. There's my Howea forsteriana. It's got a new spear. And a couple Liticarium honii. And Rapis excelsa back there. Well, that's it. I need Miss Debbie to pass.